So it started raining tonight, rained through the show. So what we do when it gets like this is we've already rehearsed it. We practiced moving the show, and so actually we took the show down to the convention center, and the guys right now are doing the show indoors. There were no issues at all. It was raining. We pretty much knew it was going to rain all night, so we kind of moved everything down. And at 8:15, just same start time as normal, we started the show. And audience seems to be loving it. Sounds great. Lighting's great. We don't get to take all the big set pieces down, but we do take the props and stuff down. You can see the actors kind of hanging out back waiting for their time to go on. But it's pretty much business as usual. They come in and maybe even give a better performance when they move inside, because they know they lose a lot of this stuff, and they have to keep the excitement level up, so they really play to the audience when they move indoors. But it's like not the end of the world when it rains. It's just something we deal with. Isn't it beautiful? It's Convention Center.
Come on everybody and clap your hands real loud. Come on everybody, take a real deep breath and repeat after me. Love my baby,
Mother, my baby, mother, my baby,
my baby loves me.
my baby loves me.
See everyone on stage.
Come on everybody and come to me. Come on everybody, take a real deep breath and repeat after me. Love my baby,
Mother, my baby, mother, my baby,
my baby loves me.
my baby loves me.
So, we were backstage at the rain show. Notice how the singers are doing the backups and stuff for the show. So anywho, that's kind of this. Welcome to Jenny Wiley Rain Night.